Quality begins long before production starts. The journey begins in the kiwi orchard.
Only ripe kiwis are selected for production. Harvesting begins with great care.
Careful harvesting protects every kiwi. Fresh fruit travels quickly to the factory. Production begins with fresh, premium kiwis. Every kiwi is inspected before processing.
Only premium kiwis enter the production line.
Advanced technology sorts every with precision. High-pressure washing removes surface impurities. Bubble washing gently cleans every kiwi. Rotary brushes complete the final cleaning. A final rinse prepares every kiwi for processing. Filtered air removes every drop of moisture. Automatic peeling protects the fresh kiwi flesh. Final trimming prepares every kiwi for cutting.
Every kiwi is perfectly aligned before cutting begins. The rotating blades begin slicing each kiwi into uniform pieces. Precision slicing creates perfectly uniform kiwi pieces. Crushing releases fresh kiwi juice naturally.
The fruit mash is ready for juice extraction. Fresh kiwi juice is extracted with maximum efficiency.
Primary filtration removes large fruit particles.
Clarification improves juice purity. The clarified juice enters the fine filtration system. Fine filtration creates exceptionally pure juice. Every ingredient is measured with precision. Controlled mixing creates balanced flavor. High-speed mixing ensures complete consistency. Homogenization creates a smooth, stable texture. Vacuum treatment removes trapped air. Natural enzymes improve juice clarity. Polishing filtration delivers exceptional purity. The filtered juice moves toward pasteurization. Pasteurization ensures safe, premium quality juice.
Rapid cooling preserves freshness and flavor. Sterile storage protects juice quality. Every bottle is perfectly aligned. Every bottle receives the exact fill level. Every bottle is sealed for lasting freshness. Every bottle passes strict quality inspection. Every bottle receives a perfect label. Every bottle receives complete product information. Protective sealing completes every bottle. Robots pack every bottle with precision. Every carton is securely sealed for transport. Robots stack every pallet with perfect accuracy. Protective wrapping secures every shipment. Finished products are stored with precision. Every shipment is verified before dispatch. Finished pallets are prepared for loading. Every shipment is loaded with care.
Final inspection ensures safe sortation. Fresh Kiwi Juice begins its delivery journey.
Temperature-controlled transport preserves every bottle.